All right, I found the two that I was working on at Shockbox the other night, trying to generate some interest. I think I had painted a lot of these shapes here that started turning into poppies. I actually like this one very much. And this is, I think, the first one where I started looking at the shapes and thinking, well, they look like something. So what I have here is, these are poppies, 1, 2, 3. They overlap, and they can switch back and forth when you're looking at them. There's another one there. But at the same time, I have this big, voluptuous woman here, this Earth Mother. Breasts, stomach, G-string, legs, the Venus of Willendorf, as it were. She is a big, fluffy blonde. There's her hair, there's her head going that way. At the same time, if you look over here, there's a little baby. And here she is bending over and caring for the little baby. And I put around the little baby to make sure it was readable as one, sort of. This Virgin Mary blue. So, see, it's a different blue than the one I put in. I think it's cobalt. Could be cerulean. And I had a lot of fun with this one. Again, if I'm doing this as a watercolor exercise, I'm trying to get people to learn. You put something down and then you put something else into it and you leave it alone. I think this is more workable with students because the biggest problem has been letting the stuff dry. So here you can work a little here and a little here, and then they're drying as you work because each cell is painted separately. So I think this provides more opportunity for learning about how watercolor spreads and not messing with it while it's spreading. Let's see. And also, you're freed from having to make a composition, have an idea or anything, because all you're doing is pushing a penny around and then marking it off on here and then coloring the cells as you please. It will turn into something as you go, or not. It'll just be beautiful, and every time you look at it, it'll look like something else. The other one I did with my big Earth Mother turned out to be a Superman. So I did this. I just kept seeing this here and a head and an arm, right? So I said, okay, well, there's a big red heart. I'll do that for Valentine's Day. And give him a red cape for Superman. I think Superman had blue pants, so put those on. And here, I'm going to give him some gray for Clark Kent. So I came out with these two male and female figures, Superman and Earth Mother, and look at this, they kind of fit together. So this might just be one larger painting. There. And it's just funny that they fit together like this. And there. Now this one from another angle, and also psychologically as well, because it's red, yellow, blue, flat, just like cartoons, looks a bit like Woody Woodpecker here. If you turn it that way, and again, that's the cartoon idea of it is enhanced by it being straight red, straight blue, straight yellow, and flat. Whereas this one has lots of depth and different washes and wet over dry and wet into wet. Color into water. Yeah. Oh, I smell something burning.